Hello there again. So this time I just wanna refactor some bits of the code. So when we get to the next step, it's gonna be somewhat cleaner. So first I wanna start off with getting the constants right. So we currently have the placement, but we also started working with updates and deletions. So export const deletion equals deletion, and we also had the export const update, which is gonna be update. Yeah, so yep, and let's just actually re-export everything. So now I have update and I have deletion, and all we have to do is just swap these values to deletion, and yeah, deletion goes here, deletion comes here, and update okay, so that was all of it. Update comes here. Actually, let's there is no update. Yeah, update comes here, update, and maybe that's it. Update, updates, just to be sure. Deletion. Okay, so that is done. Okay, so that still works. Then we can get to this bar, so let alternate. So the alternate should come first, and now what we can do is instead of checking the same thing here, we can just simply check if alternate, then simply alternate dot effect tag equals deletion, and we should push alternate here, I suppose. Yeah, it still works. Still works. So alternate and RFI children, okay. So alternate affected deletion, fiber, okay. So instead of returning every time, we could make an if-else statement, I suppose. We just simply leave it like this. Let's make some comment. The corresponding fiber representation of the JSX coming from the child from the previous cycle. Okay. If there are no children to render, simply return without creating, a new fiber. Okay. If there is an alternate while there is no child, that means the fiber, or just the fiber got deleted. Okay. If the fiber was present previously, but there is a type mismatch, we need to create a new DOM node and delete the old one. And means the fiber got deleted, not the fiber, the DOM node actually. DOM node got deleted. Okay. Delete the old one. Good. If the fiber was present previously, if the fiber was present previously and it is now, just simply update its props. Okay. And if I don't know, let's just leave it like this and create. So that's basically the case with the initial render. Yeah. Alright, so we don't need this console log. We have two other console logs in the update DOM element. I can get rid of that. Okay. Okay. So what next? What next? The purpose of this is to have a reference to the previously built fiber tree, so we can compare it with the new one that will be being built on the new cycle. Okay. This is saved to the root node, which will never be gone. Okay. Indicates that the effects being flushed out. Good. So now I think it's time to move all this logic to a separate function. Const commitWork. Okay. Commit all the painting related work. Okay, and I actually wanna have an if statement here, so if item.effect tag equals placement, then do some things, and I think actually we can do some else if and else if, and this way we don't need the return statement because they are mutually exclusive. And I think they are all pretty much self-explanatory except for this part, so we need to put it there like if it was an update, update, but there was a type mismatch, state node had to be created since it is a different instance than the previous one. It needs to be reattached to the appropriate DOM node. Okay. And the type signature for this one is commitWork. It takes a fiber, returns nothing, and takes one fiber with an effect at a time and performs DOM mutations. Okay, I think it's pretty good now. Let me go through over it. Yeah, okay, so I think it's in a pretty good shape. I just wanna check everything. Okay, it's good. Let's collapse it. Okay, so just a final test. Okay, it works. So that's for this video. I wanna just wanna commit it, merge master with this branch, and next time we're going to continue with probably the multiple children issue. Okay, see you until then, guys. Bye.